Hello everyone. The Honda Africa Twin 1100L is rumored to have an extract, aka it comes with a smaller cylinder capacity. Yeps. Rumors have been circulating that Honda is cooking up a Honda Africa Twin with a 250cc engine. Of course, this is a companion to the Honda CRF 250 Rally, which is now marketed for the 250cc adventure class. It is said that the Honda Africa Twin 250 will use the same engine as the Honda CRF 250 Rally. This means that the engine of the Africa Twin 250 will have power in the range of 24 HP with a torque of 22.6 Nm. For your information, currently in the 250cc dual-purpose motorbike segment, Honda already has the CRF 250L and CRF 250U 50250 Rally. So what is the difference between the Africa Twin 250 and the CRF 250 Rally, which are both adventure enduro types? Is this Africa Twin 250 a new version of the CRF 250 Rally? The truth of this news cannot be confirmed directly to Honda. What's fun is that Japanese automotive media Young Machine has made an estimate of the design of the Honda Africa Twin 250. As you can see, this motorbike is really adventurous, especially from its tall posture. In the fascia area, you can see the aura of its older brother, the Honda CRF 1000L Africa Twin. Meanwhile, the upside-down shock absorber design along with the chassis and swing arm looks impressive on the CRF 250 Rally. The chassis area, such as the rims and tires, are also similar to those of the CRF 250 Rally. The difference in the approximate design of the Honda Africa Twin 250 is that it has a front fender that is positioned against the shock absorber tube, not in the upper triangle like the CRF 250 Rally. Just for additional information, the emergence of the Honda Africa Twin 250 is thought to be due to Yamaha. Yamaha is currently known to be developing the MT-03 Tracer, a derivative of the MT-09 Tracer. The design suspected of being the Yamaha MT-03 Tracer has even been circulating in cyberspace. So could the Africa Twin 250 actually be launched as a facelifted version of the CRF 250 Rally? Or perhaps the new version of the CRF 250 Rally will change its name to the Africa Twin 250? It's interesting for us to wait. So that's our review for today. See you in the next video.